Good morning, Pirates. It's Miss Edwards. Happy Tuesday. I have been talking to so many of you guys on Zoom, and there just seems to be a lot of anxiety happening out there. The good thing is that you're back in school in some fashion and you have all these caring adults in your life. So make sure you check in with your teachers if you need anything. You can always send them a message, you can email them, chat with them when you have them in class. Remember, you can always reach Mr. Brinkman and I also by emailing us or filling out our counseling form that's here in the Google Classroom. I also wanted just to post a little cute picture that I found online that shows different ways to help you deal with your anxiety. So remember, there's all sorts of things that you can do to make that heartbeat lower, to kind of clear your mind. We can talk more about it if you want to Zoom with one of us, but just remember, you can take control of it and have yourself a wonderful day.